Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. We are here today with another recipe. This is a copycat recipe of a famous brand. So let's begin. We are baking now first shortbread. You can see all the ingredients here. We have icing sugar, all-purpose flour, cold butter, salt and vanilla essence. A good quality of vanilla essence is the key to make this recipe perfect. So let's begin. First we are going to cream our butter. Okay, about this shortbread I can tell you that this is the most balanced recipe. And now I'm going to add icing sugar and vanilla essence in it. Because of the salt, it's not very sweet and it's not very salty. It will complement your cheesecake. Once you see that your butter and icing sugar is mixed, add the rest of the ingredients and mix it until you see a dough is formed. And we will stop here, and I will put this onto the baking tray and we will bake it in the oven. After baking, it will look like this. I will leave it to rest, and then I'm going to add chopped pecan in it and lime zest. There is no need to add additional butter in it. There's enough butter in this recipe. When you will start to knead it with your hands, it will automatically take the shape. Now I'm just going to prepare the cake ring. Okay, and I'm using a normal nail tool which we use for piping buttercream flowers. I'm just going to press the short crust in even shape. You can even use your hands. In my previous recipes I told you that how to build up the sides and the base. And after building all this, we are going to put this into the freezer for 30 minutes. I will continue building the sides of the mold and I will try to press the sides from my thumb so it will be equally and it will look nice and good. Okay, I'm taking small parts and then sticking towards the walls of the mold. Now it's ready. I'm just pressing this because I want it should be look like sharp edge when we cut the cake. So I'm just pressing it and trying to make a corner of it, and that's it. I'm just cleaning this, and now I'm going to put this into the freezer for 30 minutes. Now we are preparing the mixture of the cream cheese. So we have cream cheese, we have sour cream, 2 large eggs, all-purpose flour, condensed milk and good quality of vanilla. I'm not using any more sugar here, it's more than enough. So now we are going to start with the cream cheese. We are going to mix our cream cheese until we see everything comes in a very smooth condition. Okay, and this will take approximately 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, depending on the machine you are using. At the moment I am using 2 to 4 number speed, and I have added vanilla in it. Don't hesitate to stop the machine, clean the sides of the bowl and then mix it again until you see all the lumps from your cream cheese is completely gone, and I will show you how I want it to be. So I'm just going to scrap the sides and see there is no more lumps. So I am just going to add sour cream now, and I want sour cream and cream cheese mixture to mix it like one cream. After that I am going to add 1 egg at a time and let my mixer run on number 2 speed. I will stop the mixer and then I will add the rest of the ingredients. At this stage, preheat your oven and scrap out the sides, and then I will run my mixer here for approximately 30 seconds to 40 seconds. That's it. We have to keep running our mixture in the start when we were smoothing out our cream cheese and sour cream. Now you don't have to overmix after the eggs. Now we are going to bake it without any water bath in the oven at 150 degrees Celsius. After 10 minutes, we will rotate the tray to 180 degree and we will keep baking on 150 degrees Celsius. 20 minutes is passed. Now what we are going to do is we are going to reduce the temperature on 120 degrees Celsius and open the door of the oven, slightly open. Okay, you can put any spoon or something to just slightly open and bake it for further 20 to 25 minutes. When you see that your cake is jiggling from the center, the sides are set, that means it's ready. Once the timer is finished, you have to leave your cake in the oven for 1 hour. After 1 hour, transfer your cake into the refrigerator. And next day, we are going to remove our cake ring from the cake, and it's very easy. You just have to take a heat gun or a blow dry and heat the sides until your cake ring starts to move, and you have to do it carefully. Don't worry. I'm just going to remove little by little, very carefully. I'm not going to force, and it will come out. And now I'm going to shift this on the table, on the plate, and it's time to decorate. For decoration, you can use sour cream, which usually they like to eat this type of cake. So I have just whipped sour cream and whipping cream together and make some flour, and then I'm using fresh fruits. I'm going to put the recipe of sour cream and whipping cream in the description box, and you can see how beautiful it looks, and I will show you the inside cut as well. I will finish decorating it, and meanwhile I would request all of you to don't forget to like and subscribe the channel, because it really motivates us to bring the more recipe in detail, and we really appreciate your likes and share. Here we go, and you can see you can make this cake and tag me and write it down. How do you like it? Now I'm going to show you the cut of this cake. Okay, let's see how it turned out. You can see how beautifully it baked, and it's very smooth and very light as compared to the other recipes which I tried before, but this was the most successful recipe. I hope you will love it and you will write it down to me. So until next video, I will say bye and take care of yourself and your loved ones. Do bake the cake, but don't bake the planet. Stay safe everyone. Bye. Ciao.